In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a smooth zoom animation on hover in Webflow. This process will help make your website more interactive and engaging, giving a modern touch to the elements you want to highlight. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up Webflow and navigate to your project workspace. On the right-hand side of your screen, you should see the Interactions panel. Go ahead and click on that. This area is essential for adding dynamic behavior to your elements, and mastering this can significantly enhance the interactive experience on your site. Now, under the Element Trigger section, you'll see a small plus sign. Click that button. This is where you can add new interactions to various elements on your page. In our case, we're interested in the mouse hover trigger, so go ahead and select that option. What we're doing here is setting up an interaction that will respond whenever someone hovers over the chosen element. Once you've selected the mouse hover, you'll need to decide what action you want to occur. You'll see an arrow next to the Action drop-down menu. Click on it and then select Start an Animation. This will initiate the sequence of effects you want to apply. The next step involves creating this animation. Click on the plus sign next to Timed Animations and let's name this new sequence Zoom. Naming your animations helps keep things organized, especially if you're working on a complex project with multiple elements interacting. After naming your animation, click the plus sign next to Actions. From the list of possible actions, select Scale. This will allow us to adjust how much we want to zoom in or out on the element. You can adjust the level of scale here until you achieve the desired zoom effect you envision for your element. Now, here's a crucial step. You'll click on the scale setting once more and click Duplicate. This essentially duplicates the current scale effect so you can create the reverse effect when the hover action ends. With your scale settings in place, click on the linear option under Easing, and from the drop-down, choose In-Out Quad. This adjusts the animation speed, ensuring a smooth start and end to your zoom effect. Once you feel satisfied with the setup, don't forget to click Save. It's always best to save your progress to avoid losing any changes. Now, let's check out how it all looks. Click on the Preview button at the top of the screen. Sometimes the preview might take a little while to load, so be patient here. Once it's ready, you'll be able to see the zoom effect we've crafted coming to life. If everything appears to be in order and you're happy with the result, the final step is to click on Publish. This will make your new interactive element available on your live website, ready to engage and delight your visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a zoom animation on hover, adding an extra layer of visual interest to your website. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.